everyone, welcome back. It's me, Miss Foster, and today we are going to be making another watercolor resist painting. So that means today you're going to need a piece of watercolor paper, a pencil if you'd like to sketch it out, crayons, and your watercolor supplies. So today we are going to be making some root vegetables to stick with our theme of foodie art. And so root vegetables are basically just vegetables where the part that you eat is the part that grows underground. Now, some of these leafy parts on top you can eat. For example, beets have beet greens. You can eat those, but mostly we eat the root part, right? So we have a beet here, a carrot, and some garlic. So we're going to start today by drawing the horizon line. That's the line that's going to separate our sky from our earth. And we're going to be drawing the vegetables underneath the ground because they're root vegetables. And we're going to be drawing their leafy counterparts on top above the ground as well. We're going to draw this all in crayon and then watercolor to finish it off. So go ahead and grab your materials and let's get started. everyone, it's me again, Miss Foster. I'm just here to remind you to hit the subscribe button if you like these videos and you want to see more. I also want to remind you that these videos are created in partnership with Painting Pandas, which is an awesome nonprofit organization here in Austin, Texas that provides free art instruction and free art supplies to any kid who needs them. If you would like to learn more, donate, or sign up for a live class with me, go ahead and click the link that's in the description below, www.paintingpandas.org. All right, I'll see you next time.